In this video, I'll teach you how to add a widget in Wix Studio that's going to display reviews from multiple sources. So in this case, you can see we have reviews from Google, Facebook, and Instagram. This isn't a feature that Wix offers, so we do need to use an external platform to do this, but it's completely free of charge and you don't need to add any credit card information either. So just keep on watching to learn how to add this to your Wix Studio website. The first step is to go to elfsight.com. I've added a link in the video description that is going to take you to this exact page. And once you're here, go up to widgets right here, and under reviews, you can see there is an all-in-one review. So click here. Start by going ahead and click the big pink button right here, which is going to take us down to this kind of template builder. So as you can see, you have loads of different templates to choose from. You have some dark options like this. You have a big review option here, and you also have small badges like this where you can click and interact with them to see how they work on your website. So just go ahead and choose an option for your website. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead with this carousel widget. To continue, just go down here and click continue at the bottom green button. And now we can start adding our platform reviews. So if you have Google reviews, you can just click on Google here, and now you can just enter your business name and address, or you can go on Google Maps and extract the link like so to enter this. So in this case, I'm just going to add a random one for a business in the UK. So as you can see, I've chosen a random company in London that I'm going to try and add these reviews for, just so you can see how it works. So in this case, to add Google reviews, you can go ahead on Google Maps and find the business, and then click share right here and copy code right here. From here, simply go back to Elfsight here, go ahead and enter the link here and click search, and then just choose it here and click done. And now to add a Facebook review, go ahead and click add source right here so we can add a second review, and choose Facebook right here. And now we just need to get the URL from Facebook. So in this case, this is the URL for this specific business. So just copy it, go back to Elfsight, enter it like this and click done. Adding the reviews from Instagram is a bit different because reviews aren't really a thing on Instagram. So what you need to do instead is to go ahead and click add source and manually enter this. So choose Instagram, add review, and as you can see, we need to add the text on our own. So let's say that this looks like a person who's gone to this company. So you could copy this and you could go back to Elfsight, insert it here. And you can see it has like this little Instagram icon here. So you could just add all of the information here. So if you assume they would have done 5 stars, then you can add it like this. And once you're ready to add it, just click done like this and done again. And now you can see we have Google, Facebook, and Instagram reviews in one. Now, next up, if you want to customize this a little bit more, you can go over to layout here on the left-hand side, and you can choose the kind of grid or layout that you want for your reviews. So if you want something like a badge, you could choose this, or a floating badge down in the corner where people can click it like this. Again, it's completely up to you to choose from, and whatever your preference is, just choose what's right for your website. Now from here, you can start customizing your header. The header is this section right here. So if you don't want to show the header, you could just toggle it off right here. Or if you don't want to show these tabs where the reviews are coming from, you can also toggle it off here. So this is great for a simplistic design, but in this case, I'm just going to leave them on just for the purpose of this video. The next thing you can customize is the reviews. The reviews are the small boxes that you're seeing down here with the actual reviews in them. So you have some different styles to choose from, both in terms of the text here and also the resource style, which is where it says Google or Instagram or Facebook. So again, just choose what you want for your website. Now the last thing we can edit is the colors of our widget. So start by going over here to style, and then you can see we have a lot of different options to choose from. The first thing I would do is go ahead and choose a font, because right now we are seeing Elfsight's default font. This is not a font that we can apply on our website, unfortunately, but the closest thing I've found is Arial. So go ahead and choose Arial right here. And the reason why I would choose Arial is because for some reason on Wix websites, all the text here will become Times New Roman, and most people don't have that on their website. So go ahead with Arial, or if you have text that's on your website here, you can just choose that. The other thing we'll do is go ahead to background right here and choose a background color, because right now you can't see it, but this is essentially transparent. And there's no color, as you can see here. So if you have a picture on the back of this, it might look a bit messy on your website, especially because this is also transparent. So in this case, I would just go ahead and choose a white color by clicking here and clicking here. And as you can see, you can also choose some that are semi-transparent like this. So it's kind of going to give this kind of overlay if you have a picture in the background. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead with white right here. You can also choose gradient, an image, or a video if you want to. But that's up to you. And once you're ready to add this to your website, you can just go ahead and click add to website for free. And what's going to happen on your screen is there's going to be a pop-up in the middle here where you can log in with your Google account if you don't already have an account with Elfsight. So go ahead and log in, and then you're going to end up on the same template builder that my window is opening to now. This is the exact same template builder, so if you're happy with your design, you don't need to do anything else. Simply go up here and click on the big publish button right now. And then from here, you just need to choose your plan. So because this is completely free, just go ahead and choose the free plan for $0 a month right here. And now it should open this window. To add this to a Wix Studio website, simply go ahead and click copy code and now go to Wix Studio. From here, go up and click add elements, go down to embed and social, embed code and embed code again. And once you have this pop up, just click on enter code right here and now delete any text that might be in here. So it's completely blank like you've seen on my screen. And insert the code we just copied and click update. Now you can simply go ahead and click away from this and now you can just adjust it to our Wix Studio website. So just all the way out to the edge out here. You can also just drag this section down a little bit if you need to. Just select the section and drag it down like this and then just fit it to your website like this. And now we can see that we have a really nice all-in-one widget review on our Wix Studio website. So when I go and click preview, you can see how it functions and if everything works well. So as you can see, when I click Google, I can only see Google reviews, Facebook, Instagram, the one we added manually. And all reviews up here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can add multiple reviews in one in Wix Studio. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below and I'll try my best to help you out.